President Cyril Ramaphosa of South Africa has pledged to help the victims of devastating East Coast floods as the death toll rose to 306 from heavy rains that washed out roads and disrupted shipping in one of Africa's busiest ports. Ramaphosa visited families who had lost loved ones in KwaZulu-Natal province, including a family with 4 children, after floods and mudslides ravaged their homes. The South African president promised to help those who have been badly affected by the heavy rainfall. He also described the disaster as a force of nature which some people have disagreed with. They blamed poor drainage and badly built houses in low-lying areas for the high death toll. One of the survivors had this to say.
My neighbors, they tried to assist me. It took 2 hours. After 2 hours, I will survive. But unfortunately, my child.
Africa's southeastern coast is on the front line of seaborne weather systems that scientists believe global warming is making deadly and predict it will get far worse in decades to come. The KwaZulu-Natal provincial government estimates that billions of rand worth of damage has been caused to properties and infrastructure, describing the heavy rains as unleashing untold havoc. Kamil Sadiq, CBA TV.